So I already primed with the Makeup Forever. It's the Step 1 Skin Equalizer Primer. It's the green one. So if you have redness, I always have redness here and like right here. And you could see I have like no redness right here now. And I have a teeny little bit still there, but that's okay. So I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. It's the Armed and Gorgeous palette, which is so beautiful and so beautiful for fall. I'm going to go in with the shade Access, just very, very lightly. And it has a little bit of Top Secret, which is the green shade on it, which isn't even like a big deal because I'm going to put that shade on next. I absolutely hate technology and I hate my brain sometimes. But then I'm going in with the green shade, which is called Top Secret. And I'm basing this look kind of off of Casey Holmes' fall makeup tutorial. It was like a get ready with me video. And I think she has brown eyes and she put this green on, or I don't think it was this green, but it was a green color. And she looked absolutely gorgeous. I mean, she always does. She's so freaking talented and just so pretty. But she did it and it looked amazing. And I was like, I'm going to try to recreate something like that because that looks great. Usually I don't use green. I go more towards brown colors. But I have done greens in the past. And I think it does kind of flatter a brown eye. So I'm watching This Is Us. I'm watching the newest season. I finally got Hulu, and I'm watching this season, and I'm really liking it so far. I mean, I haven't cried yet, even though I've been kind of busy today and like cleaning and stuff, so it's not like I've really sat down and like really watched it, so I don't think I have time to cry at the moment. Coin. I'm going to mix these two. They're such beautiful shades. I'm going to mix those two. I'm going to put a little bit of Coin first, just because it already has some green in it. Oh good, okay. I thought this one wasn't going to come up, but I actually don't want this one to come up too intense. But I think I'm just going to put Coin and leave this, and then intensify my outer corner with Top Secret. Okay, good. I'm going to go with Top Secret on a more, I don't know if you can see, on like a more dense brush. And just pack that on in the inner corner and blend out Coin and Top Secret. Just make it more seamless and intensify that green a little bit. In my last two videos, I felt like I was way too bright. Like I just felt like I just looked too white. And now I'm thinking that I look fine. But when I was editing my last two videos, I was like, Jesus Christ, I am white as shit. But like, not just because I'm pale. Like, it just looked like there was a white cast over me, and it did not look flattering at all. This green is not building up like I want it to, and I'm using a pretty dense brush. I don't know if it's me or the shadow, but I'm gonna roll with it. So I'm actually going to darken it up a bit. I'm going to put in from the Dark Magic palette, I'm going to put in this color Inside Job. It's like a bluish green, but I think it's going to be beautiful because I feel like this is getting almost just too like poison ivy looking, you know what I mean? I want it to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to put a little bit of Potion and Inside Job and mix those together just to make it a little darker. Yeah, I think that looks better already. I'm not going to lie, these shadows, they're blending, but it's like taking me a minute to really get it like really nice and blended like that. Just going to go in with Temptress. It looks like a navy blue. It doesn't even look black. It looks like it's like navy blue. But I'm going to put that just on the very, very outer corner. And I'm literally just leaving it in the outer corner. I'm not bringing it too far in at all. I'm being very careful. Yeah, that looks looks beautiful. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but I like how that looks. So then I'm going to go in and do my base, and then I'm going to do my lower lash line, and then my lashes and eyeliner and stuff. That's just how I do it. Call me crazy, but that's just how I do it. So I'm going to use the Matte Velvet Skin 24-Hour Makeup Forever Foundation. This is a sample I got from Sephora. I think this came in my play bag. I don't know if it's the right color even, but I guess we'll see. This is definitely going to be... Actually, that looks like it's perfect. Might be a little bit on the yellow side just because I'm so pale. Yeah, you could tell that that's a little yellow. But there's nothing you can't fix with like concealer. I could technically mix this with a, I have like a white foundation from LA Girl Cosmetics that I could lighten it with, but honestly there's no need. I don't need that. I'm going to go in with, oh I'm sorry, I just went in with the new Bare Minerals Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. It's my new favorite concealer. It's amazing. It barely creases on me. It just looks flawless. And then I'm going to go in with the Bare Minerals powder. I'll tell you the name of the powder in a second because I honestly don't remember. I'm just going to set my face with it. Put it all over. And I think it has like the tiniest little reflex of like, I don't even want to say glitter because glitter is probably going to freak people out and be like, what do you mean glitter? But it looks like it just reflects a little bit. But it makes you look nice and bright. It's the Mineral Veil. It's the Mineral Veil powder. So I guess it does have a teeny bit of like the reflex in it. I don't want to say glitter. I'm going to say reflex. Then I'm going in with ABH Sandalwood Bronzer, which is my favorite bronzer at the moment. And in the fall, honestly all year round I like to be nice and bronzed. But mostly in the summer and fall. No, that's a lie. I like to be bronzed all year. I'm like trying to think of like things to talk about. But I don't know what to talk about too much because it's not like I have like thousands of subscribers of people that watch my videos like constantly. I know of a lot of people that say they watch all of my videos, especially like my friends and just people on the internet that I've come across, and they're just like, I love your videos. I actually had a client yesterday say that she watched or she looked at my Instagram, my beauty Instagram, and I was like, that's so sweet. I love that. Real quick, I'm going in with Blank from ABH. It's a blush trio. I got this blush trio at TJ Maxx, and if you want to see the haul for TJ Maxx, I got so much makeup for so cheap, so go check that out. It'll be linked below. But I'm just going to put a little bit of that. It's a nice full blush. It's so beautiful. Look at that. That's so beautiful. And I honestly think that this brush has a little bit of purple on it from my Dark Angel makeup look, which is also on my channel, so go check that out when you have a chance. But I'm going to go in with Inside Job and Poison. Sorry, those two. And put it on my lower lash line. I'm going to use the same brush I used. It's the Morphe E17. That's the brush I used to put the color Temptress on my outer corner. And I'm not going to bring it all the way in because I have a very round eye. And the way to kind of smoke out a round eye and bring it out is to just not have it go all the way in. If you bring it all the way in, the dark color, it's going to make your eye look rounder, which is fine. So if you have a round eye and you enjoy your round eye and always want your eye to be round, that's what you can do. So just a little tip there. And sometimes I like to do a round eye, but it's usually just when I do like a halo eye or something like that. With this look, I want it to be more smoked out. So I'm going in like that. And then I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush, which is the Sigma E35. And with no additional product, I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, so now my lashes are on. So then I'm going to go in with the color My Mean in the Dose of Colors and Desi and Katie collection. So that is it for the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I actually just mixed the Dose of Colors lipstick with the Too Faced lipstick in Dull Face. It's a very light nude. I just needed to make it a teeny bit more nude, so that's what I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really liked creating it. I definitely had Casey Holmes in mind when I created this look, so the inspo goes to her. If you guys enjoyed this fall makeup tutorial. Now, this isn't the only fall makeup tutorial I'm going to do. This is obviously a cooler tone look, and I'm going to do a warm tone look, probably using like the Ring the Alarm palette or another palette from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe's collection. And yeah, so I guess that's it for the video. I'm going to film my fall essentials video next and my fall favorites tag. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.